G'day guys, welcome back to AllBrand Caravans. This is Carl speaking. Today what we're doing is we're securing some extrusion back onto a van. So what we've done, we've currently resheeted this side of the van and we're at the final steps basically of siliconing and re-securing the extrusion back on. So what we've done is we've just secured it on there and we're just cleaning up the excess silicone. I've got my apprentice back here, David, who's cleaning up the silicone as we speak after I've just fitted this. And after we've cleaned all this off, we'll just polish a little bit of the side of the caravan and then we'll move on to the next step. So if you have any questions about securing extrusion or refitting or insurance jobs in relation to doing a whole side or a roof, leave it in the comments below or give us a call. Thanks.